I'm Tim with AutoZone, and today we're going to go over some ways to prepare your car for the winter. Cold weather can be hard on your vehicle, but with just a few preparations, you can make sure that your car is winter ready. When it's cold outside, your car's battery has to work a lot harder. Now's a good time to open the hood and check for any corrosion or leakage. If you want a second opinion, head into your local AutoZone for a free battery test. While you're under the hood, take a look at any rubber or plastic parts like belts or hoses. Double check to make sure that there aren't any leaks, abrasions, or broken clamps. You might also want to take a look at adding antifreeze or washer fluid at this time. When roads freeze over, you're going to need all the grip that you can get. A good tread depth on your tires can keep your car from sliding, and the proper air pressure will give you more traction on slippery roads. You can find the recommended tire pressure in your car's owner's manual. Get ready for snow and ice by replacing your old wipers. Depending on where you live, you might want to visit AutoZone to get specially designed seasonal blades that can prevent ice buildup. Also, keep in mind that winter days are short, so check your headlights to make sure that you see the road ahead. If worse comes to worse, be ready. Prepare a car emergency kit with things like flashlights, jumper cables, an ice scraper, a phone charger, just to have everything ready at a moment's notice. If you can't decide what you need, visit your local AutoZone where you can buy a pre-made car safety bag. No matter what season it is, your car should be ready for the road ahead. Remember that if you need help this winter, the folks at AutoZone are always standing by. For more car care tips, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel below.